Hey guys, Faith here, just bringing you a 34 and 0 gameplay on the map Grind. Gun I'm using is Peacekeeper, Fast Mag and Suppressor, so all DLC pretty much. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to rate, subscribe and like, and it'd be very much appreciated. As always, I'll put the link in the description for my clan. Peace out, bitches.
Nigga, your boy. Yeah. Hey, Black Card Sway, I figured it out, my nigga. I've been on the radio too much. This what these hating ass niggas really want to hear. They just want to know that I could kill them at any given moment. It's Black Card till I motherfucking die, bitch. Flyest nigga alive, meet me in the sky, bitch. 40 on my hip, this is not a sidekick. Catch me eating with the same niggas that I ride with. Convict, that's the label that I signed with. Now these niggas hating cause they bitches all on my dick. See Con, that's my motherfucking nigga. I put kush in my raps, fruit punch in my liquor. Sliding down your block, AKs out the pickup. Get the bussin' with the blicker, hold your breath like a hiccup. Mind state of a California nigga. I be all about my money, no sleep till 6 figures. Black Card, fast cars and big triggers. Hustle like I got the blueprint of 6 jiggers. Rocker, whatever you need, baby, I got ya. We eat a candy for your snot locker. Every hood play me, yo, songs on the radio. But I swear to God, this work is the only way to go. I tried to warn you about my Mac ways. I got your bitch on Craigslist and Backpage. Hoes on deck and these is hoes that pay. Je suis un pimp, parlez-vous français? Hey, excuse my French, these girls need counseling. They just abuse my dick. I don't know if it's me or they just choose my whip. I hawk a loogie on you rappers just to prove I spit. I'm the hardest nigga doing it, realest nigga not to mention. I ain't rich, but I damn sure ain't penny pinching. VIP, off the coke and the Henny twisted. Call me Christmas time, bitch, I'm really gifted. Every car I own, sitting on 20 inches. Shooters with me all the time, nigga, fuck a witness. Ambulances, police cars, and forensics. That chopper make a nigga feel like he in a blender. Yeah. Rocker. Shout out to all my Black Card niggas, man. I got us. Convict.